Hi guys! So today on this video, you will learn how to write a program using flowchart symbol. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm, workflow, or process. This is according to Google. A flowchart also shows the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting the boxes with arrows. It is used in analyzing, designing, documenting, or managing a process or program in various fields. Let us learn the symbols in flowchart. Oval, the name is start or end. The function is it is an oval, represents a start or end point of the program. Arrow symbol. The name is arrows. Its function, it is a line that is connector that shows the relationship between the representative shapes. Next, we have the symbol of parallelogram. The name is input or output. The function is a parallelogram represents input or output. Next, the rectangle shape. The name is a process. The functions of a rectangle represents a process. Next, we have the diamond symbol. Name, it is a decision. Its function of a diamond indicates a decision. Let us try this exercise. Using the flowchart symbol, find the sum of 12 and 14. To answer the given problem on how you will add 12 and 14 using the flowchart symbol, you will need one oval for start, two parallelogram for input, two rectangle for process, and one oval for end. Here in our flowchart, the program began to start. Then, the arrow connects to the input symbol, declare a variable a, and has a value of 12. And it connects to another symbol, declaring a variable b has a value of 14. And it connects to the process symbol, shows the formula on how to calculate the sum of 12 and 14. Then, it connects to the next process symbol. It prints the sum of 12 and 14, which is 26. Then, end program. Let us try another program, which is write a flowchart program that prints the grade if it is pass or failed. Let us answer the given problem on how you will print the pass or fail of a grade. Here in our flowchart, we use the start symbol and it connects to the input symbol which has a value of 4, let's say 4 quizzes. So M1, M2, M3, and M4. Then it connects to the process showing the formula on how you will compute for the grade. Let's say grade is equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus N4. Then it will divide by 4. Then it will connect to the decision if grade is less than 60. If the answer is no, it will connect to the output symbol, which is print pass. Then it connect to the end program. Now, if grade is less than 60 and if the answer is yes, it will connect to the output symbol, which is print fail, and then it will connect to end the program.